Hello and welcome to this video. If you want to use the cart mini cart as an Elementor widget, you can easily do that from the Elementor editor. So in the Elementor editor, you need to search for mini cart. You'll find a widget named as mini cart. You need to drag and drop it inside the page editing section, and you'll find the necessary elements here. So you can change the icon easily from this option. You can choose any font or some icons you want from here. So let's check out some icons. You can use this one. You can see this is the icon is changeable, and all the styles related to this widget are also changeable. So you can you can change the color, you can change the size of the icon, and you can also change the style of the card count here. So you can see all the styles are available here. So this is the Elementor widget. You can use it anywhere in your Elementor pages. Thank you for watching this video.